Hey y'all, so we're back again with another taste testing video, but this time we have jackfruit. This thing is ginormous. It looks like an alien, like for real. Let me tell you first of all that I have been looking all over for a fresh jackfruit. I have been asking my nail techs about this fruit. I have been going from store to store for this fruit because I have been hearing so many good things about it. So many people say it tastes like really tropical, like pineapple, mango, banana, different things, but all of those sound good to me. And it's very versatile if it's not ripe. A lot of people use it for a meat substitute if it is a young jackfruit. Yeah, vegans. So that's really interesting, but I think that this one's really, really ripe. In fact, I'm a little afraid that it's too ripe because it's very, very soft. We ended up finding it at Albertsons. Yeah, it was $25. So Mav decided to wake up and join us in on this jackfruit tasting adventure. So what were we talking about? How much it was $25, and I'm terrified that it's rotten or overripe because it's really soft, but it's supposed to be soft to the touch, right? You're supposed to be able to touch it and it kind of moves. What color are they saying that it's supposed to be?
Don't remember, but this means that it's good.
What?
Brown spots.
So brown spots means that it's good. And I think that the greener it is, the younger it is. So I think we might have a good one, but then I don't know because I'm not familiar with jackfruit at all. Anyhow, let's get to tasting because I know that's what y'all want to see. So being that it has a lot of sap and it's really, really sticky, a lot of people say that you should oil your hands to cut it or oil the knife, and a lot of people suggest that you wear gloves, and that's what Devin's gonna do because I have nothing to do with the cutting of this fruit here, okay? I'm scared that something pops up out of it. No, but it looks like a dinosaur is gonna come out of this thing.
No, a dragon.
Yeah, like a dragon or something. So Devin's gonna cut it and we're gonna show y'all the process of that. Hopefully it goes well. All right, so let's cut this big old fruit open. Devin is using a dull knife and he's gonna add some grapeseed oil to the blade and he's gonna cut it long ways. Now, it's important to use a dull old knife because cutting a jackfruit can actually ruin a good knife. So he's gonna cut it long ways and you're gonna see it's a very, very thick fruit. It's hard to pry open and that's mainly because of that center. It's really, really thick and fibrous. So you're gonna see what I'm talking about when he pries it open. So there's that beautiful jackfruit that I've been waiting for so long. It's beautiful, it's yellow, it's bright, it's fragrant, and here's the edible part of the jackfruit. It's the actual fruit, and each little pod has a seed, and the seeds are very, very big, and they're actually edible if you boil or bake them, and they have the consistency of a potato, and we actually boiled them, and they taste pretty good. It's almost like a chestnut. So he's gonna remove that center, and after he removes it, he's gonna pick through and remove all the pods of fruit. And this is how the jackfruit looks when he's done. Kind of looks like garlic, but it smells delicious. We did have to remove each seed out of the fruit, and you can see the seeds are actually a sensory experience for Maverick. He loved playing with them, and yeah, he had a lot of fun with those. Okay, so after Devin cut the fruit, say hi. Mav is having a lot of fun with the seeds. So the seeds are actually, they're edible, right?
Yep.
And you can boil them. Or did you see them bake them?
No, I didn't see anybody.
So I've seen people bake them and then you can actually eat them and they have the texture of like a potato. That's what I've heard. But after Devin cut all the fruit, we're left with a huge plate of fruit. That is so much fruit from that, I almost said durian because it reminds me of durian, but it reminds me of durian a lot. But that's a lot of fruit from one plant or one fruit. That's a lot of fruit from one fruit. Okay, so I'm ready to try it. Let's go.
That's a weird texture, right? Like eating a rose petal.
A rose petal?
Well,
Yeah.
how much type of rose petal?
Like, it's almost like eating a bell pepper. Like the texture. It has a chewy, almost like a crunchy texture.
It's good though.
It tastes like a banana. It tastes just like a banana to me.
Maybe with some mango. Banana infused mango pineapple.
It's extremely sweet. What do you think? It's really, really sweet to me.
I'm trying to figure out what kind of texture this is.
It's not juicy at all. It's like almost stringy in a way. I think this would taste better in smoothies, huh? Like, it's a good flavor, but it's so unfamiliar to me. So it's not bad at all. It's really good. It's sweet. You want to taste? It's good.
Let's see if he...
Oh no, not the seed. No, no.
Thanks.
Mmm. Is that good?
You like it?
Is it good? I think he likes it. Mmm. He likes it. And that's weird because Mav doesn't like a lot of stuff at all. He's so picky. But he's trying to eat the seeds too. It's good?
He likes it.
Is Mav approved?
If Mav like it, everybody gotta like
Yeah.
it. Because he don't like a lot of stuff.
Yeah, he's very, very picky. Why you have to make a stink face eating it? It's like you have to, huh?
Because it's just weird.
Because it's unfamiliar.
You gonna put the whole thing like that? You just shove the whole piece in his mouth.
Mm-mm. You know what it is? It's like eating the peel of a banana. The texture, right?
Yeah.
Almost. Like, it's not crunchy, but it's crunchy, and it's not juicy. It's not a juicy fruit at all. But it almost tastes like juicy fruit gum. What you think?
Juicy fruit gum. I think it tastes like cantaloupe.
Taste?
Well, the texture of cantaloupe and honeydew.
Yeah. It does have the texture.
That initial crunch.
Yeah. It's filling.
Oh,
I'm getting full off of it.
the whole time he's putting seed eating self.
Right. Ooh, that's yummy. He likes it. Good job. Okay, so in the comments down below, let me know, have you ever tried jackfruit? And if you have, how do you eat it? And yeah, comment down below. Give me some recipes if y'all have some as well, because I'm new to this. This is my first time ever eating jackfruit. I've had them in smoothies, but never the raw fruit. So comment down below and let me know your thoughts on jackfruit, recipes, and how you like to enjoy jackfruit. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and if you want to see a taste testing video, comment down below on what you'd like to see next. We have some thoughts in mind, but your help would always be better because we want to make content that you want to see. So definitely subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.